Today in this video we will talk about how we can make cold call for the warm leads. So before starting cold calling, we have to ensure two simple steps. The first one is we have to understand the sales script, and second one, we have to understand sales funnel. So if you don't have any script, just make a script with your product or service you're offering. List down all the features, then note down your target audience, then note down the value you are providing, the pain question, and the customer examples. If you have these steps, definitely easily you can create a script. The next things we have to understand is sales funnel. Where the customer came from. Do they came from Facebook or do they came from website? If they came from Facebook, probably they have seen a post and they have signed up a form. If they came from a website, probably they have a basic idea and they have a basic needs and they are probably interested, and that's why they have signed up a form from website. So we have to understand our sales funnel. So the first steps to cold call a warm lead is make a amazing ratings. We have to understand that whoever speaks first loses. We have to give them an option to say hi, and in return we will say hello in a very engaging, very energetic way, so that whatever they are doing, they can get shocked and they can understand this phone call is valuable. And within these 4 seconds, we have to bring their attention to our phone so that whatever we say, they can understand, they can listen. And next, we have to say, hey, this is Ryan and I'm calling from x.com. The reason I'm calling you is because you have filled up a form from our website. In return, we have to get a reply, yes or right. So did you fill up the form? They will say yes. Are you living in Victoria right now? If they will say yes. Are you the homeowner? Are you the homeowner? If they say yes. So every single time, the first couple of questions will be yes no question. If they say yes, for end of this conversation, if we provide a service, they will say yes, and that's how we grab a customer. The next steps of cold calling warm leads is we have to qualify. Qualification is most relevant in warm leads. So to save our times, we have to qualify. So we can say, do you have a 5 to 10 minutes to meet so that our cleaning expert can visit your house and talk to you about cleaning and services. We can say, are you comfortable of paying this amount of? Are you comfortable with this paying cleaning services? We have to say we are using advanced equipment. We are using less water pressure washing. So are you willing to spend 10% more just because you are getting a safe and secure house? If they say yes, then they are qualified. The next steps of our cold calling warm leads is we have to identify. We have to identify whom we are speaking with. So we can ask, how many bedrooms do you have in your home? If they say 3 bedrooms, they can say 3-bedroom house. We're living 5-bedroom house. Then based on their answer, we have to qualify or we have to eliminate. If they say 3-bedroom house, probably they don't want to afford expensive cleaning services. So we have to eliminate these types of people. If they say 5-bedroom house, we have to make the conversation more engaging so that we can eventually sell our services. So the next question we can ask, how many years you are living this house? And is there any types of item which is hard to clean? This is most important because they might have a leather sofa, they might have a leather leather, so for example, something like within leather or some other kind of stuff which is not cleanable, or which is if you want to clean it, you might need a specific types of chemicals. So we have to ask this type of question, so that in of the cleaning, you don't want to spend another $200 just because you don't know the what type of furniture they have. So we have to understand, do you have any kind of item which is hard to clean? And they will mention, yeah, we have this and that. Okay, so within the conversation, the conversation is going on, within the conversation, we have to identify these three key features, the three pain point. What type of pain point we have? We have to ask this step, identify the pain point by asking a strategical question. So if we say, what type in your home, what type of problem you're facing, whether you are cleaning your house, is it because you don't want to spend money on cleaning, or do you what are the reason you are not having a cleaning service? Is it a trust or security issues, or is it quality or expectation issues? So there is three main element. Is it cost, or is it trust, security issues, or is it quality or expectation issues? We have to understand what are the reason they are not having any cleaning services. Okay, so if we identify the pain point, we can easily solve this pain point and give a tailored solution. So first one, if they have a cost solution, we can say our cleaning expert is a certified cleaning expert. So he will visit your house, and it will only takes 5 to 10 minutes. And we will check your house, and we will mention you what are the problems you have in your home, what are the solutions you might need for your home, and all of these steps will be transparent. So you don't have to worry about money. That payment, the types of services whatever you will get, it will be transparent, and there will be no hidden charges. And that's how we will fix the cost issues. If a customer has a trust and security issues, we can say, can you please check our background reviews? Or we can say, we have this type of guarantees, we have this type of insurance, and they might concern about the keys. So we can say we have a key management option. So just tell them what type of key management option you have if they're not at home. And next, what we can say is we can mention a customer example similar to their pain point. So if a customer have a facing problem on their carpet, you can mention a example where you have solved a customer on their carpet. You can mention a skeptical customer where there was a skeptical before, and when they get services, they were very much happy about the services. So in this way, when we will mention the customer service and the examples customer, we will gain trust. Okay, so the next one is quality and expectation. So to solve this type of problem, we can mention we are providing customized cleaning plan. So we have a plan. We have to push for monthly plan, but to make it clear, to make it customizable, we can ask on an average how many hours you are spending on cleaning your home. If they mention any types of numbers, then definitely based on their numbers, based on their words, we can make a customized cleaning plan for them. Okay, so the next one is to make it the next one we can mention is we can make a communication channels. So we can ask what is the best way we can reach out to you. So if they say phone number, if they say email, if they say WhatsApp, That's how we have to reach out to them, rather than mentioning just may send a message in our mail. It's not a best way to reach out. Okay, so we have to diversify our communication channels. So what will happen is that they will easily access our services. Then we can ask about the feedback, and eventually we can request for referrals. This is the main reason we have to make a communication channels. Okay, so when we solve the pain point, what we have to do, we have to provide a solution. So we in as example, I have made three different types of solution: basic, standard, and deep cleaning. Okay, so the basic plan, we can say we are providing vacuum cleaning for your carpet, we're mopping your hard floor. On basic plan, we're removing dust in your furniture, we're wiping your kitchen and bathrooms, and it will takes 2 hours, and each hours will be $60, so it will cost you $120. Okay, that will be our basic plan. We can say our standard plan. We think with basic plan we will get a standard plan where you will also get refrigerator cleaning, you'll get window cleaning, and light and mirror cleaning. It will take 3 hours, so it will charge you $180. We can mention if you need deep cleaning, it will cost you $80 per hour, and it will take 3 hours, so it will be $240. And this way we will provide our solution. Okay, so the next step is proposal. We have to tailor our proposal to close the deals. Okay, so we can say so we can mention that one where you are basing on basic plan, you are paying $120, but if you book right now, you will get is within $100. Okay, so they will definitely ask why. In their mind they will ask why we should pay right now, why we should get this service right now. So they will try to avoid these phone calls to not having these services, but we have to make it urgent. Okay, so to do that, we can definitely say rather than paying $120, you can pay $100. Rather than paying $180, you can pay $150. Rather than paying $240, you can easily pay $200. Okay, and some people also use different techniques. For example, people say, what payment method do you prefer? Or some people also say, sounds fair enough? And that's how we will make a cold call for warm leads. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you another video.